Hello, good morning, friends. One problem I am solving, which is asked in the some test. So they have given the product form in this reaction is okay. So here is the amines they have given student, and that is treating with the sodium substituted nitrous acid, and that is dilute HCl. Here we have to see, here is dilute HCl is there, okay, that we have to keep in mind. Now when you are going to solve this product, and they have given this one is the 6 membered alcohol, then here is substituted alcohol, and here is the different product they have given. Now this reaction, firstly you send it for the diazotization, okay. So when you are sending this reaction for diazotization, so what compound you will be able to get? So here that is 5 membered ring is there, and this will give this one methyl, that is diazonium chloride. Since it is having the dilute HCl, so what is there? It is having that is OH group also there. So what will happen here? This will attack here this carbon, and as a water molecule it will be out. So what that is? It will give the carbocation. So what carbocation will form, student? You can check it out here. This one is the primary carbocation. Okay, you can write better. It is, we can write here is CH2 plus. Now here is the possibilities we know, that is the this carbocation will go, that is rearrangement, and it will form the stable 6-membered cyclic compound, stable. So what will happen, student? Here if you see this one, if rearrangement of this carbocation will get, because this is the 1 degree carbocation and it will form the stable carbocation. So what will happen? This bond will break and this will undergo rearrangement. So what the compound it will give, student? This is the 6-membered ring will form, okay. And suppose here is the carbocation is getting formed, and this carbocation, since dilute HCl is there, so there will be the attack of water molecule, and if attack of water molecule will be there, so what is there? This will give the cyclic alcohol it will give, okay. This will give the cyclic alcohol. Better I am writing this one. It may be the not visible to you because the board is very small, friend. So what I am doing, I am erasing this and I am writing the again place. So here if you see, because dilute we have taken HCl, so here is the water molecule will be there, and this water molecule what it will do, this will give the alcohol like this, cyclic alcohol. So there they have given the option, student, that is the all of these is not possible. C option is not possible. Little percentage of B is possible, but the major stable compound will be the option number A. Cyclic alcohol will be the option number A is the correct option, okay. So the correct option will be A. Why? Because, student, we know that is the wherever the possibility is 6 to 7. Ring 5-member cyclic ring to 6-member ring is the stable, but 6-member ring to 7-member ring is not possible. Let us solve one more problem on the basis of this, so that the concept will be little clear. So I am erasing it and I am telling the one more problem based on it. So you try to find out that. This problem is the second number problem also asked in the exam. And what the problem is, student, they have given the 6-membered. This one is the cyclic, and here is NH2. Last question it with the 5-member, but here the ring is the 6-member, and what the same reagent you are taking, student, this is NaNO2, okay, and that is dilute HCl. Temperature again maintaining, that is 0 degree Celsius. Temperature is 0 degree Celsius. So what the product we will be able to get, student? So firstly it will go diazotization reaction. So what it is doing, student, this will give the diazotization, means it will give N2Cl. This is giving N2Cl. After N2Cl, because we are having the dilute alcohol, so it dilute HCl means it is having the OH minus ion. So what it will give? How OH minus ion? You may be knowing, student, HCl will react with the water molecule. So what it will give, student, it will give that is okay, leave it out. Here is the what it will do, it will attack on this carbon, student. So if it is attacking on this carbon, so what will be the carbocation will form. Okay, this is the base, so that is elimination will take place. So here is the, this is the CH2 group. Now this CH2 group is there, that is okay. Now when you are treating with the, okay, when you are treating with the water, okay, because dilute is there, so when you are treating with the water, friends, so what the compound possibilities of compound will form. So here is the one possibilities is there, this is the possibilities. So actually it will give the number of the compound, not the single compound. So here is the alcohol, okay, this will be the alcohol. Now this is the one product. Again possibility is there, that is if carbocation is going rearrangement, okay, if this carbocation is going rearrangement, friend, then what will happen, you see, because this is the 1 degree carbocation, this is 1 degree, so possibility is there that it can rearrange and give the 3 degree carbocation. So if it is giving 3 degree carbocation, so how it will be, you see, here will be the CH3 plus CH3, and here will be the positive charge. Again you take water molecule, okay, so if you are taking water molecule, so what the product will be there, student, that is second product here is, it will be like that, here is CH3 and downside it will attack, that is OH. So this is A product also possible and B product also possible, okay. Now one more product is possible, student. What is the other product is, which is the possible product is, what that is, the rearrangement. Suppose that it is, if it is going the, what that's ring expansion, expansion. So what will happen, student, you see, actually ring expansion compound will not be stable. Why it will not be stable? Because the 7-member ring compound are unstable. So what I am going to do here is, students, suppose you are going to ring expansion, so what will happen, you see the same compound I am going to diagrammatically, here I am writing, that is, here is the CH2 positive charge, this will be, and if it will go ring expansion here, so what it will give the 7-member, this will be like that, this is 7-membered, and here is the positive charge. Again there will be attack of water molecule. So what the product it will give, student, here you can see, this is the 7-member ring, and we know that is 7-member ring are unstable. So what it will be having, student, here is OH, but this is unstable. So according to option they are asking which is the most stable compound. So most stable compound you can say here is A number or here is the B number. This is both are the stable compound. That is most stable is the B number, okay. And if they are giving that is A, B, C and all of these, so the option will be coming all of these. This is all about the ring expansion in the amines. Thank you so much for watching, friends.